All right, 18 bees is on the move. I'm over here at my neighbor's house and about to install a nuke. Okay, just doing the install. It's about 65 degrees, 10 in the morning. Let's see how these guys behave. Oh, here she is. You can see her. There's the queen. So we are set. Okay, these were pretty easy to install. They're very friendly. Queen she's really big and fat, got lots of brood in there, and installed in our neighbour's yard. This is 18 bees. We're all about installing hives throughout our neighbourhood. If you want a hive, give us a call.